This is my new purchase, GV80 Prestige 2025, and I'm making this video regarding the fragrance that I bought. I had a difficulty to put it on, so I would like to make a video and help others. So this is the fragrance. Goes so there's a little button here. I have to turn the car on. Give me 1 second. This will be a quick video regarding the built-in fragrance air freshener that within the car. This is a GV80 Prestige 2025. I was having a little hard time to put it on, so I would like to make a video. I did figure that out. So this doesn't come with the vehicle. You have to purchase it separately. I know, right? They should give it as a little gift when you're purchasing such an expensive car. Anyways, it comes with, let me try to open this. It will look like this. It has a little magnet on it, and it will give you the direction which way to place it. So it has to go this way, and you have to remove the top coat before you placing it. So you press the button, that controls the smell. If you want to place it, you have to go underneath here. I want to show it to you. There's a button here. You click it. Hold on. It's just, I'm not comfortable. There we go. It opened up. Can you guys see it? 1 and 2. You could place up to 2. That magnet part sticks to the bottom. So I'm gonna remove them and I'm gonna show it to you. It's kind of like a little difficult. It's uncomfortable because I'm sitting on the driver's side. All right, so when you remove the sticker, it will look like this, and the bottom magnet is on the bottom. So you place it, it just clicks on it, make sure it's secure, and you just push it in. That's how it's supposed to look. Now I will show you guys how to adjust the fragrance on your car. Just because you placed it, it doesn't mean that's going to start working automatically. You have to go to the home button. It will show up home. Go to the setup. Click on it. And the first thing it's going to pop up is vehicle. Click on it. And then you're gonna scroll down until you find a climate. There you go. You push it to the side, climate, and then you go down to fragrance. And you click one more time. Now you see I just placed it, but it says off. You click on it one more time, and you will put it how strong you want it. I keep it in the medium. When my AC is on, the smells automatically comes out. It's not too strong, so I keep it in the medium. And I go back, and right now it's on my favorite place. If I would like to switch it, you go to the side, driver awakening. You see, adjust it to the medium. There we go. Enjoy your built-in fragrance freshener, and you can see that it's staying on the 2. I could always click it and switch. Set it. Shut it off. Make it stronger, and it says strong. I tap one more time. Medium. Voila. It took a minute, but I did figure it out. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank me later. Ciao.